Hello, wanted to show you a quick new feature that we just added, the ability to see waivers inside the reservation. Let's go and navigate to the left-hand side where we get into the admin home and we can see the calendar for today. There is a party here, starts at 4, TED party. I'm going to scroll past all of the details and information that this party has already created to see the waivers that have been added to this reservation. Grand total, 3 of 7 have been signed. If you wanted to punch into the blue buttons here to see a little bit more detail and information about each user, things like future reservations, you can actually see the PDF of their waiver. You can just click into here. But for you guys as admin users, anybody that's working the front desk, you can add a walk-in right to the system if they didn't sign it. Also note, the same process would work if they scan the QR code and type all their information in there, their waiver will populate here. But in the instance where you get someone's name and you want to just fast add them to the system, they'll be able to populate right here, choose their name, and then we'll add that user. And then just like that, we can now see age, date of birth of that specific user. If it's the wrong user, accidentally happened, you can just go here and remove that user, and it goes from 4 signed signatures to 3. So, quick look at how we can now move a little bit faster by seeing waivers inside the reservation.